In this video, I am going to show you how to sign up for Wipay, which is a payment processor that works in Trinidad and Tobago and some other Caribbean countries. So the first thing you're going to do is go onto the Wipay website and you're going to select sign up, but you're going to make sure that you are under your country, which you can see in the top right hand corner in a little drop down menu. So make sure you're seeing your country's flag selected. I believe there are 3 major countries, which are Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, and Jamaica. So you're gonna select business if you are an entrepreneur, and then it will take you to a screen which lets you know all the documents that you would need when signing up as a sole trader, which is what most of us would register our business as in the beginning. I know some people do opt to register as a limited liability company, but if that is the case, the other options are there to show you which documents you need in each instance based on the type of business that you have. So for me, I am a sole trader, so these are the documents that I needed. I have videos on my channel. I will link them in the description on how to register your business as a sole trader and how to open a business bank account as a sole trader as well. So once you select the business Wipay account, they're going to prompt you to put in your contact information, then your business name and type, the business owner details, and then it's going to prompt you to create a password. And then once you do that, you tick that you agree to the terms and conditions. Now it will guide you through setting up your Wipay account. So on the Wipay dashboard, you'll see a tab called bank. That's where you need to add in your banking information, and then you'll also see a tab that's saying get verified, which is where you would need to submit your documents for verification in order to verify your business account. So under the bank tab, you're going to select your local bank account. Then you're going to select the institution from the drop down menu. So for me, I have my bank account with Republic Bank. Then you enter your bank account number. You will see what your bank account number is from the monthly statements that you receive in the mail from your bank. Then you'll enter the name that is on the bank account, which should be your business name, right? And then after this, you would be prompted to submit the documents under the Get Verified tab. So you will have to fill out a form with all the details of your business. This is mainly about the nature of the business, the type of business, the estimated revenue your business will be generating, etc. So once you fill that out, then you'll be prompted to upload the documents for verification. And the first step in verifying is your image. So it will prompt you to take like a live photo of yourself in real time, right? I think this is to kind of make sure that it's not a bot registering and it's actually like a real person. Then you need to upload 2 forms of ID. This could be your national ID, your passport, or your driver's permit. And you need to upload your proof of address, which is a utility bill, and a confirmation letter, which is only required if it is the name on the utility bill is not yours, right? Which is standard procedure. And then for the business, you have to upload your certificate of registration, and then you also have to upload the same documents as before under the business IDs, which is like the 2 forms of ID and the proof of address, but for the business owner. So if you are a sole trader like me, that would just be the same documents. Yes, it's kind of like a double upload, but they need it to verify you as a person and then verify you as a business. After you submit all the documents for verification, you will receive an email from Wipay saying that you have signed up and welcome to Wipay, etc., etc. And then you may or may not get an email from them stating that they are processing your application, and because of the volume of applications at this time, there's a delay in the verification process. I got an email like that. I don't know if you will at this time, if they are still receiving a lot of applications, but you will get an email once your account is verified. And they took about 2 months to verify my account, so keep that in mind, right? If you want to see how I integrated Wipay into WooCommerce on my WordPress website, check out the video coming up next.